This video will show you, the Blue Water parent and student, how to download and install the Brightspace portfolio application and use it to upload documentation and evidence of learning to your Brightspace learning portfolio. First thing I'm going to do on my iDevice is go to the App Store. For an Android, you're going to go to the Google Play Store. I'm going to search for Portfolio, and the third one down is Brightspace Portfolio. I'm going to install it. It's very quick to install. I'll open it, and I need to give permission for it to access my camera, my microphone, and my photos. What I'm going to do now is set it to class device, and I'm going to put it in in-class mode or in-class mode with Funster, which is for younger students. So in in-class mode, I need to first scan my class code. In this case, it's called sample class 1920. And then when I say let's go, I want to start collecting evidence, I scan my student code. You can see from the screen that I have provided both the teacher or course code and the student individual code. This will need to be provided to you by the classroom teacher. Now I'm ready and registered as any student to document my learning. I can snap a picture of this, in which case I'll be prompted to add a title. I'll call this math work. And I could add a voice recording as well as jot down some thoughts about this work. I'll click done and it's automatically added into my portfolio. Again, quickly, I'm going to click start collecting for your portfolio, scan my QR code as a student. This puts me into any student, and I can snap a picture of my evidence of learning and send it to my portfolio. Now, in a house with multiple users on the same device, you're going to have to close the application and then come back into the application in order to reset it. I can now go into in-class mode. I can again scan the course code, scan my student code, and for the purposes of this video, my third piece of evidence will just be a snapshot of the screen. And I can send that in, and I'm done. The next part of the video will take you back to the classroom online on the computer, and we will take a look at what that portfolio looks like.
I've logged back into Brightspace as any student. Any student is able to access their portfolios by clicking on My Portfolio. And this student I use for demonstration purposes, so this student is enrolled in a number of courses. For the purposes of this video, I had used Sample Course 1920, and you can see the three pieces of evidence that we just uploaded a couple of minutes ago. I'm going to go to that first piece of evidence. There are a number of things that I can do. I can rename this evidence if I wanted to. I could delete the evidence altogether if I felt it wasn't necessary to submit to my student, to my teacher. I could upload an audio file if I wanted to about this document. I can jot down some additional thoughts, and I can categorize my work. There'll be room for teacher feedback on the right-hand side. As well, teachers may attach rubrics to provide assessment feedback for you. This is how the Brightspace portfolio works. One additional feature is the Add to Portfolio button. If a student has some work already uploaded to their computer or to their OneDrive, they can simply click Upload or Add to Portfolio, and they can upload the file from their computer or from their Office 365 account directly. Thank you very much.